Hi, so today's topic is to go outside, I think. So I'm walking aimlessly and I haven't actually come across a person yet. I don't know where I'm taking you. We're in some grass, isn't it beautiful? And outsidey. I'm so unfit, this is making me tired. And there's my uncle's house is there. And these are the trees I used to pretend I was a unicorn in. But that was a long time ago, like 4 years-ish. It's really spooky out here right now. Oh, horse tracks. There's one noisy bird. Yeah, so it's nearly my 1 year anniversary of being on YouTube, and I love how I've actually got worse at making videos. So I'm quite glad that I'm on this channel, because otherwise I think I would be a bit crappier, because I kind of feel like I'm obliged to make videos, and so I am. It's really not nice out here, is it? So I went outside. Woo! See the noise bird. I feel like I should do something exciting now. I don't know what. Well, there's my exercise for the day. About to go home and sit on the computer for a couple of hours. I hope everyone's well and stuff, and I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.